Welcome to Grover Beach, California. I am a Grover Beach resident. My name is Bruce Carson. I'm also a realtor with Keller Williams Realty, Central Coast in Pismo Beach. I have a lot of people that are asking me about the growth happening in Grover Beach. There's been a lot of construction up and down Grand Avenue, especially down around 4th Street. So I took the time to meet with the people, the community development at Grover, and got a whole bunch of information, flew my drone over all the sites, and now here you go. This is our first project. It's coming soon on the corner of 12th and Baden in Grover Beach, and they're going to put 6 single-family homes right on this lot. So this lot's been empty for quite a while. It's going to be a real nice improvement to the neighborhood there. You can see that this is also one of the very few streets that has not been resurfaced in Grover Beach. Our next project, I shot this for my drone from my office in Pismo Beach, and what we're doing is we're looking across the highway just behind Denny's. You see that 4-story building? That is Spring Hill Suites. That's coming soon. It's a hotel, 4 stories tall, with 135 rooms. It's been taking quite a while. There's been a lot of road construction, lots of, it's been a slow project, but it's getting there. This is kind of a view from, again, above of this hotel, just showing it's right by Denny's. It's right by, there's a Motel 6 there, then Pismo Gas, and then this new gas station here. And then that's new housing right there on 4th Street. And then you can see how close this is to the Pismo Coast Shopping Center, California Fresh Market, and everything else that center has to offer. This next one is called Cleaver in Clark. It's on the corner of 13th and Grand Avenue. And to me, it looks like it's almost done. They've been doing this for a long time. They have 2 buildings here. They're going to be 3 stories, 53 units. And they did save the big oak tree. This was a park, just an empty park with a beautiful tree. I'm told they saved the tree. Now, this one, Cleaver and Clark, they do have low and very low income opportunities for people that want to rent there. So if you want information about applying for low or very low income, call, text, or email me. My information is in the video, and I'll get you to the right people to apply. Our next place after Cleaver and Clark here, I really like the way this looks off of Grand Avenue too. They did a good job. It looks sharp. Now we're on, this is going to be called the Rockaway Residence. It's on Rockaway, and you'll see it's looks like a double lot to me because they're already putting 6 single-family homes there. And when we turn around here, you can see, one, how close we are to the beach because we're down around 7th and 8th Street. And then we're right across the street from the 5 Cities Fire Authority. Great, safe place to live. Right next to that this is the Grover Beach Police Station. And then next to that, we're going to see City Hall. So good location, close to the beach. Rockaway is just 1 street off of Grand Avenue. Now, this has been the big project corner here. This is 4th and Grand. We're looking at Encore right now. This is a 4-story mixed-use building. They're going to put in 59 condos and a dog park. Gonna love that dog park. That's going to be in the back up there on 4th Street. So 59 condos, it's mixed use. So we're going to have businesses down below and then residential up on top. You can see it's definitely under construction. It goes all the way down to 5th Street. So it's a good size project. Now it should look pretty much like Palladium, which you can see is across the street. That's a 4-story mixed use project that is just about done. I think they've sold everything there. If they haven't, they're almost sold out. And people should be moving in soon if they're not moving in yet. I haven't seen any of the mixed use. I haven't seen any retail open up down there, but all these buildings are mixed use in Grover Beach. So we're going to get new stores, we're going to get restaurants, we're going to get cool stuff. So it's just going to drive our economy and really, really help. Grover Beach is growing so much. I'm really excited about it. So I wanted to fly down Grand Avenue and show what I really like about all this growth. It's been a pain. They've had Grand Avenue torn up and detours and this and that. But now look at it, all going up and down Grand Avenue with those real nice center divides with palm trees on both sides, palm trees going down the center. You see the blue markings in the street. Those are crosswalks. We have electronic crosswalks there. And see how close we are to the highway. Now, speaking of the highway, right across the street, all the way across the street, the dirt lot across Highway 1, that's going to be the Grover Beach Lodge. It's still under review, but they're talking about putting a hotel there. And then on this side of the street, you'll see right here the construction. You see the guys walking along that wall and all those cars. That is an upcoming project called Trinity. They're going to have 16 townhomes and 7 condos, and those will be coming soon. I'm also told that they have some new like sound dampening material, I don't know what it is, that's going to help those particular units with the noise from the railroad tracks. It's a kind of a good news, bad news about being by the railroad tracks. It's good because if you're by the tracks, you're by the beach. So real easy, walk across the street, there's a crosswalk right there, and boom, you just have to get across that parking lot and you're in the sand, and then you're into the water and just go right down to Pismo Beach from there. There's a lot more growth. Let me know if I can help you with anything, if you have any questions.